Looking for a new tape measure? Well, Lowe's has got some deals. Some of them not that fantastic. Here's one less than $1 difference in price. But they go all the way up to, here's one, $27.97 down from $34.98. Now that's a decent discount. But they've got several different ones on sale. They've also got some chalk lines. Not much of a markdown there. But definitely if you go over to the area where the tape measures are, there is a lot of possibilities. Now this is a decent markdown, $20 down, $29.98 from $49.98 for 5-piece SAE sockets and adapters. And they've got an electronic stud finder down $5 to $29.98. And that's Klein, just like those sockets were. And they've also got a compact laser distance measurer, $29.98 down from $34.98. And not to leave the others alone, Klein 2-pack of tape measures, $29.98 down from $35.98.